big. I got a good buddy here. The dirty face.
The sleeping one. Why are you in here? Oh, Daddy, I think those are the twins.
Yeah, there's some twins here.
Oh, why are you inside the food bucket? Why is he inside there?
These little ones.
They're all so cute. Daddy, is this one sheep or lamb?
That is a lamb.
Its fur is so soft. Wow, you gotta feel this one, Daddy. It's so warm.
All right, let's see. Oh yeah, like a blanket.
Other chicks back there that we switch them out with. So. And these chicks are actually a bigger breed of chicks. So once these guys grow up to be full chickens, they'll be like, instead of normal chicken size, they'll be a bit on the larger side.
You pet that
buddies.
one. I'll pet this one.
Hey, buddy.
This one's falling asleep right as I pet him.
Hi, buds.
He's falling asleep right as
Feel
I pet
good?
him. Here you go, baby. Here you go, baby.
These ones making faces at me.
I want to see him make a face.
They like being scratched. Are those pretty cool?
This one keeps giving me the side eye. He keeps giving me the side eye.
Yeah.
Here. Daddy, birdie.
Coming a lot closer now.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty. That's so baby. Not like that one.
Awesome. Look at those big horns. Those are cool.
He's so soft right here.
Fluffy guy, huh?
Let me touch your horns. I'm making him say no.
Oh, he burped.
I see it. Ew! He burped.
Don't feel good on your face, buddy?
Here, I can scratch it for you. I can scratch it. He likes that. He likes that.
That one's ready for you to ride. You want to ride a horse, maybe?
Maybe. I want to ride those baby ones.
The little ones?
Yeah.
Let's go see this little guy over here.
Let me say hi to it.
Careful, it says they may bite, so just go slow.
His eyes are pretty.
Yeah, he's got pretty eyes. Let him smell you.
His nose is all muddy.
Careful.
gosh.
Hey, bud.
He's so cute. His eyes are a pretty shade blue.
Yep, look at me. We'll take a picture with him. Go back down there. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Yeah. Walk down the hill just a little bit. It'll be easier. There. Good job. Oh, okay, okay, have fun. All right, girl.
I've been on better bouncy houses.
I know, but this one's still fun. I want to see you swing on those bars over there.
Okay, I'll do it. You want to put your feet right here? Put your feet here. Come here. No, let's come on this side.
Use your fingertips, remember? Or grab your whole hand.
It's really low. That's what I was saying. Go highway.
It's a hard game. There's too many holes.
Let's try the other side.
Down hard.
This one's kind of easy. I'll just go super duper fast and it won't fall.
Try.
Good try.
One last try.
Good try.
Thank you.
No,
Let's go see something else, buddy.
not a good idea.
Just want to try one more time.
One last time, and then somebody else's turn.
Oh, good job.
The other strings, yeah, there it is.
Where's the ball?
Wait up. Thank you. I think I got my way out. Daddy, I'm tall so I can see.
All right, do it fast.
I think my wait.
Come back, hamster.
It's Leverett. Why is it Leverett? No, wait, Cordelia. Cordelia, stand up. This one's so cute.
Baby cat.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us at Andelin Farms. We got some treats on this beautiful Easter weekend.
Bye, guys.